Yes, actually, I've been mostly working on GStreamer-based SDKs for the past couple years. So I'd like to thank you guys for organizing this talk. The agenda is what is GStreamer, why use GStreamer, and how to use GStreamer, and then what are the AI extensions to GStreamer, and then finally provide an example AI pipeline. So GStreamer is an open source multimedia framework used for developing video and audio streaming applications. It is a highly modularized framework where pipelines are constructed in a plug-and-play fashion using building blocks called plugins. Examples of traditional GStreamer applications include network streaming, video and audio transcoding, and video and audio processing. There's three types of plugins in GStreamer, or main types of plugins. And these are the sources, the transforms, and the sinks. The sources provide data to the pipeline. And these could be sensors like microphones or cameras, or they could be network streams, or they could also be a special plugin called the app source, and I'll mention what that is later. And the sync plugins are the same, except they're the output of the pipeline, and they could be monitors or speakers, also network streams or files. And the transform plugins are everything in between. They could be converters, muxers, demuxers, codecs, inference operations, pre-processing, post-processing, etc.